comparison today. It's a Makita TM30DZ, and it's new to me, and I'm going to be comparing this against the Ryobi multi-tool, the RM18. It's a pretty good tool. It's served me quite well, and I'd be interested to see how well the Makita 12 volt compares against the Ryobi 18 volt. Well, I've been using Ryobi tools for the past 8 years and have most of that 18 volt lineup. Now I'm exploring a change and considering Milwaukee and Makita's 12 volt range to replace them, and I'm interested to see how they compare. As you can see, the Makita is significantly smaller than the Ryobi, significantly shorter. Now onto the weight. So this is the Makita. I've only got a 2 amp 12 volt battery, and that weighs just over 1 kilo. So that's very, very light. Now, by comparison, the Ryobi weighs almost 2 kilos, but it does have a 5 amp 18 volt battery. I'm not interested in the body weights without the batteries. Nobody carries these things around without batteries, but that's 1.8 kilos. And this is what they look like with the batteries. I'll be using a brand new bit to cut some pine, which is about 44 mils in thickness. So, full battery. Having to use a lot more force with the Ryobi as well. Bit disappointing. So, what are my final thoughts? I was really impressed with the Makita. It's a 12 volt, smaller, lighter, had a 2 amp battery, yet it outperformed the Ryobi 18 volt with its 5 amp battery. I can't recommend the Makita enough. It's absolutely brilliant. It definitely had a really nice controlled feel to it compared to the Ryobi.